how to ship internationally on FedEx. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can ship internationally on FedEx. Shipping internationally with FedEx involves several steps to ensure a smooth process. And the first step is to ensure that an item can be shipped as intended. Before shipping, verify that your item can be shipped to the intended destination. All right, factors such as country specific restrictions, export licenses, and prohibited items play a role. So, check out the exporting and importing requirements for the country that you are trying to ship. And how do you check this out? You can just go to the top part of the screen where you can see a plus icon, click on it to open a new tab in your web browser, and then ask the question is for example, let's say the product that you're trying to ship is a shoe. So you can just ask the questions, uh shoes allowed to be shipped to, for example, let's say you're taking it to North America. So you can just go ahead and type that out straight ahead on FedEx. So you can just ask this question, click enter, and then you can see a write up which says FedEx International Connect, and you'll see once you click on this, you'll be taken to a page where you can see details about items that are allowed. You can see prohibitions, the rules, and all of that. So ensure you check this out and know how to get about it. And so once you check it out and you can see that your item does not fall under any of this, the next thing that you have to do is to select a customs broker and determine the terms of sale. All right, so custom brokers help clear shipments through customs without delays. So FedEx International Services typically include brokerage for shipments with a declared customs value of up to 500,000 USD. So ensure you have all of this. Ensure you collect the relevant or the essential details about your shipment, including the recipient address, contact information, the description of the item. So after that, you should know that different countries have varying documents requirements. So for you to screen recipient information and documents, you can make use of the FedEx Global Trade Manager. And how do you get that? Go to the top part of the screen again, click on your plus icon, and type out FedEx Manager. Global Trade Manager, and so you can see it here among as the first option amongst the blog posts displayed. So you can just go ahead to look for it. All right, click on it and ensure that you locate the FedEx Global Trade Manager. But if you still cannot find it due to some technical issues, you can just reach out to the customer support that you would like to trade or to ship an international product, and all of the required details. The screening will also be done on your behalf. And so, if you need to fill out some necessary custom forms, you will be asked to fill it out. Ensure you fill out the necessary custom forms, such as the commercial invoice and all of that. And once you do this, it will ensure that everything is accurate and complete. And so once you've done that, the next step, which is very important, is for you to package your item. All right, properly pack your item to withstand international transit. And you should know that it will take a longer period of time. So use sturdy materials and cushioning to protect fragile contents. Then drop off your package at a FedEx location or schedule a pickup. And so you can now track your shipments using the provided shipment number by coming to the tracking page, entering your tracking ID, click on track, and you are good to go. So you can see that to ship an international product is a long process, but if you do it well, it's definitely be done easily. So thanks for watching and have a good day.